I'm getting ready to work on this bathroom door. I did just a little bit of work on here, but you've already seen the different things that I've done on here. I checked this and I wanted this to slide over to the left a little bit on these bottom two hinges, and that's all that was needed to be done. So I flopped those hinges back, put two 2.5-inch screws in there, pre-drilled them in there, both at the bottom and the top, you know, both hinges, and then put the screws back in there. Everything's tight. I adjusted this and the gap looks just nice. Before, this was almost tight, and this was almost tight right in there. Okay, oh, it looks nice. So you know how to do stuff on there, and I probably should work in this door next. I'm dreading this one. This goes out into the garage, and I'm slightly dreading this. See how the door is? It's just barely missing right there. Good grief. Which means I'm gonna have to pull that over. You can see the big gap. See how big the gap is there along the door? So you know that that door has sagged. Look at that. So see, I can push that over. I can't tweak that hinge or anything because it's a self-closing hinge. So I'm gonna have to push back on that, you know, to flop the hinge out of there. But in order to take the hinge and flop it out of the way, it's spring-loaded right now up there. Because I know that because the pin is still in there. See right there? That little pin that's sticking out. I'll have to take that out. I'm gonna work on that next. That's not gonna be part of this particular video. This one is here. Okay. Remember, that's the one that's not hitting. I've already looked at this once, made the determination. I've got it kind of close there. I mean, it's actually plenty far enough away. But I may have to get up there and see. Maybe I don't have to do anything. I was gonna put some screws in that and suck it over like I do. You see the big gap there? But I'm gonna get up there closer and see if I really need to do that. Yeah, I think I'd like to, because if this door ever sags, see how big the gap is here? Look at that. I know this door is sagged, and chances are it's gonna sag some more. I'm gonna push that over. I'm gonna create a larger gap right there. And you know, when I end up doing that, this latch is actually going to be lifted up even slightly more. And in fact, that's the way I want it to go. See, that latch is too low. This latch needs to go up higher to fit in this strike plate. So that's going to help that, actually. See, I thought for some reason at first, remember when I was looking at this before, I thought I was going to have to ream that out. I would have had to have reamed it out. See where the latch is? From there to there. You can see the little marks. I'd have to ream that out if I didn't do anything with this door. But I'm going to tilt that up. That should lift this up, and it might just barely fit in there. And I've got enough gap down in there. This door doesn't fit very well, does it? It's almost like when they installed the door stop, it almost looks like they kicked the stop over a little bit, because the door, see, when the door closes, it's supposed to be flush. See right there? It's flush with the door jamb. I come down here, I can't push it in any further because it's hitting the door stop on the other side. See how there's a gap there? I mean, we're talking almost 1/8 of an inch that could have been pushed over to make it flush. Can't do it now because this door stop's on here. And how do I know that? I mean, just for common sense. Plus, let's just, you want to really see, you measure this right there. I got 1 3/4. Okay. Let's see how much I should have 1 3/4 here, but I'm going to say I got probably 1 7/8. I have not measured this yet. Okay, look at, I got almost 2 inches. You see there? Almost 2 inches, believe it or not. That means this little pocket for where the door is smaller there. See the door, I measured the door, it's probably 1 3/8. You see there? 1 3/8. So when I look at the pocket here, I've got 1 3/8, maybe just barely more than 1 3/8, almost 1 1/2 inch. 1 3/8, okay? This down here should be 1 3/8. But it's probably 1 inch and less, see? 1 1/4, barely. So, I don't know, the painter's gonna be here. And maybe I should ask this young lady. Oh. Ooh. When I close the door, it's supposed to be flush on the side. Here, you want to come in here? Let me just show you something. It's not going to hurt anything. So when you close the door is supposed to be flush with the door jamb, right? Okay. I'm going to fix that. I'm going to lift that up so that this fits the strike. This latch has to be lifted up. The door is sagging. You can see how the door is sagging. But that's not the issue. See down here at the bottom, when the door's closed, and I can adjust that. When the door's closed, see how it sticks out? Put your finger down there.
I can see that.
See, it sticks out about a good 8 to 3/16. That's how it's gonna live. Nobody's ever gonna see that, but because the painter's gonna be here, I really don't want to do this. I could take this door stop, because I already determined, if you look at this, the door stop from here down has been pushed over this way. Boom. I'd have to score that, score this, tap this, and line it up. Exactly, re-nail this, patch it, and then recalk this, and then when they paint it, you're never gonna see it. Or I can leave it alone.
Why don't you just leave it alone? You know, you overanalyze a ton of stuff.
I know, but this is for the benefit of my...
It makes me crazy.
Hey.
I shouldn't be on camera.
Yeah, this is for the...
wife is not...
This is for the benefit... I'm backing up. She keeps coming forward at me.
Because I want to leave.
This is the benefit of my viewers. I'm just showing them. And that was what I was probably going to do anyways. I wasn't going to do anything. I just wanted to see what you had to say.
Yeah.
Okay. But that's why that door is sticking out. I just want.
The door locks.
Yeah, it locks. It's fine.
Functional?
It's fine. It's up against there. It's over here by the cabinets. It's fine.
I don't think it needs to be rehung.
I'm not going to do anything.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna fix the sag. So okay. You can go now. Bye bye.
All right, bye-bye.
I am kind of thirsty.
No, I came here to tell you something.
What? I am kind of thirsty.
Okay, would you like something to drink?
Yes. What were you going to tell me? That you love me?
I love you.
Oh, that's what you were going to tell
Did you
me.
see what I put some
Here, show me.
bird feeders up?
Show me. See, she doesn't care what I'm doing, but she wants me to see what she's doing, and that's fine.
Because I want to show you my bird feeder down there. I got a regular bird feeder with suet on the side.
Oh, cool.
It's really cool. And one of the suet packets is this hot. I guess they like hot.
That's suet. And they take that and they just peck at it.
Yeah, and
the
the
one
other
at the back.
Right.
And then the rest of it is bird seed
Yes.
in there.
Yes.
And then what's that over there?
It's a hummingbird feeder.
Oh, have you seen
I
any
bought a new
hummingbirds
one.
yet?
And I did.
You did.
Yes, already they found
See, that's a
it.
shepherd's hook, and I don't know if we're going to leave it there. We may.
Yes.
Oh, you want it left over there?
Yes.
Okay.
perfect.
But I'll have to dig it down.
But look at my bird
It's not pushed down all the way.
See my bird bath
Oh,
out there?
lovely.
And then I got those little butterflies around it.
Wait. Oh,
So
I
they've
like
got
the
all
bird
this little-
bath. And it's glass. I like the
Yes,
colors.
it's glass, and then the butterflies
Oh,
are like
cute.
stained glass plastic.
Oh, beautiful.
Are they cute?
Yeah, they are cute. Where'd you find those?
I found them at Home Depot.
Oh, so see, sometimes Home Depot has stuff, and if you can't find it, go to Lowe's too. Those are kind of our go-to hardware stores. Sometimes, you even have to go to Ace sometimes.
Mm-hmm.
And
Yes.
in fact, we're getting our barbecue from Ace, aren't we?
Yes, we are.
They were having a sale, and so we went to Ace
Yes.
instead of Home Depot or Lowe's.
And I think we saved $500 or something. It was a
geez.
lot.
Well, and they're going to put it together for us, and they're going to bring it out here, carry it up here, and they're actually, well, we have to buy the gas, the propane tank, but the first refill's free, I understand.
Unless he taps into our gas line.
No, I don't want them to do that.
That's kind of sketchy.
There's a gas line out there, but I feel more comfortable just using the propane tanks, don't you? And we got to have a valve out there and wonder if it's going to leak and that kind of stuff. Okay.
Oh, I got a
What?
UPS package.
Oh, you did?
And I walked back here with Hugh.
Oh.
I couldn't hold both of them, so I had to open
She was on her iPad earlier with a friend of hers from Hawaii, and she was showing him, walking him around the house, doing what? FaceTime?
FaceTime.
FaceTime. And I saw Hugh, and that was good. I like that.
Yeah.
What you got there? Money?
Maybe.
Can I sneak a little bit of your
I'll
drink?
get you something to drink.
Okay, good. All right, so back at it. I am going to I'm going to work on this door, and I believe I'm going to work just on that top hinge, but chances are I'm going to do this middle hinge too. I believe I'm going to do that too. I'm just going to go ahead and do it. See the gap there? If I suck the jam over, I'm hoping to create a larger gap there, and I'm hoping to minimize the gap up there, okay, by putting the screws. So that's my next step on this door, and see, that should take this door, raise it up like that. It's going to give a little bit more gap over on this side. It's going to raise this latch, this door latch up. Ooh, I like these.
There's a spider.
Coconut pineapple, but my favorite is what is it? Peach nectarine. I don't know why.
Peach mandarin or
No,
something.
nectar. Peach nectarine. I like nectarine
Can you
peach.
reach that?
What?
It's a cobweb.
Here, take my tape measure. Where is it? Oh, right here. Extend it and just grab it with the tape measure. And she found a little cobweb. And we'll have to go through here. See, look at that. Look, it goes way over that way. That's good.
That means there are spiders. I have to get a pest control person.
Oh. Remember I have that little thing. You had it in Hawaii. It's that cone thing, and I just spin it and it takes the cobwebs off. That's in all of our stuff.
Oh, is it? It's a brush.
Yeah, but when the painter gets here, any little cobwebs he'll see and he'll take down. But anyways, okay. So let's get on with it. I'm ready to flop that hinge back and drill some holes in there. Let's do it.